Well, summer ain't over yet, but we may have found the coldest spot in all of Atlanta today, minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit. We will take you there on the other side of the break.
In the meantime, we got places where it's really dry and it's really hot, like Atlanta, Stephanie.
Yes, and summer just won't let go as parts of the East Coast are sweating it out this weekend. In Atlanta, we're chasing a record. So far, we're at 84 days of 90-plus degree heat this year. If we get to 90, the record falls, and as people try to look for ways to beat the September sizzle, our Dave Malkoff has found one.
From sticky goop to the freezer, back to sticky goop in the hot Atlanta sun. That is the life cycle of a popsicle, but not just any popsicle.
I am head of production at King of Pops.
Neil Ringer works at what has become a summertime institution in the South.
This is still summer.
There you go.
If you haven't been to Atlanta, then you just don't know.
We have fun, crazy flavors.
What sells under the umbrella starts off as a fresh strawberry or lemon in their small factory.
We pay attention to the weather a lot, and we notice, we definitely have seen it continue to stay hot for the last few weeks.
That means more sales as we close in on one of the top 5 warmest summers in Atlanta, where people actually do hot yoga outside on a day like this. It's not just the South. Most of the Northeast is also on track for a top 5 summer, meaning millions of people could use a popsicle.
I ate all my carrots at school.
The core of the operation is this giant industrial strength freezing contraption, taking it from liquid to popsicle in just about 20 minutes. It is 22 degrees colder than your freezer at home, making it possibly the coldest spot in all of Atlanta today.
It's, the best way to stay cool.
More sun is more hours on the splash pad for Mom Christy Worley.
Dad is in the crane right there, actually. He's the crane operator. He has an air conditioning unit up there. It's just a little small one. So with the sun beating down on him all day, every day, he is miserable.
But not everyone's tired of this extended summer.
The vitamin D, it makes me happy.
The writing is on the chalkboard. Summer ain't over yet. In Atlanta, Dave Malkoff, The Weather Channel.
And from what I understand, they do a lot of charitable work. I think they're going to be a big hit at Music Midtown. Jen.
All right, Steph, here. We're going to take you into the weekend. Still a lot of heat in the forecast, so you might be thinking popsicles. You might want to try to recreate those King of Pops. I don't think it's possible. They are that good. They're so tasty. All right, so heat again today in Atlanta. We're going to tackle